Hey guys, Ed here. Hey, just a quick update. I just wanted to show you the sub-assembly we were working on yesterday. I had a situation with putting the two parts together for our air breather housing here, and I had a seam that I could not get closed. And I'm not sure if the pin was too long, where it connects, but I didn't want to, apply too much pressure and break it. So I got as close as I could get it. You can see it in the picture here. And so I just kind of wanted to show you. I did put some filler into it, and I worked at it for a while here, and I think it's acceptable now. I didn't want to get too close to these ribs here. You can kind of see there is still a little bit of an absence in this rib, but it's not too bad. So I think that's passable. And I'll put some photos up. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick look at this. And this piece here is primed. I used some primer in between sanding to kind of see where I was at, if that makes any sense. So that's all, guys. I just kind of wanted to show you that and show you that I did remedy that seam situation that we had. All right, guys, I'll leave you with that. Everybody have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.